Thanks for stopping by. DXZtoz sent me this really neat tool to take a look at and let you know what I think about it. Let's take a look at this together. So here it is. If you don't know what this is called an endoscope or an inspection camera or a borescope. What this tool can do for you is it allows you to look into places that you can't normally see, like plumbing, air conditioning vents, things like that. Let's try it out. The handheld part of the camera is very light. You can easily reach all the buttons with one hand. Turn it on. It has a light for the camera that you can adjust the brightness or turn it off completely, whether you need it or not. The best part about this camera for me is that the end of it here is articulating, and you have this little knob on the side, and when you turn the knob, the end of the camera bends around so you can see different things. And it'll go a full 180, and you can actually look back against itself up to wherever you inserted it into. It also has an SD card in it, and you can use that if you want to take pictures. You just hit this button and it'll take a picture, or if you hold it down, it will record video for you if you need that for something. It also has a zoom function where you can zoom in if you want to get a closer view of something. And you don't need to remove the SD card to view your pictures. You can just hold down the camera button and that brings up your gallery, and you can scroll through your pictures and look at them, view your videos right here on the device. It also comes with a little kit with some accoutrements in it, USB charging cable, a little brush to clean things, some more brushes to clean things, camera rag, some wet wipes, different ends that you can put on the camera. To change out the ends, it's really simple. You just unscrew the end that's on there now and screw on whatever you need. Has a little hook in case you want to try and grab a hold of something that's down inside of something and you can't grab it by hand. It has an end with a mirror on it that will allow you to get a view of things that are 90 degrees to the camera. And it has an end with a magnet on the end of it, so you can use it to pick up small metal objects. So it's a nifty gadget with some fancy attachments you can put on the end of it. But what are you really going to use it for? Well, this is great for DIY. Say you want to do some work around the house and you need to cut into the wall, but you want to know what's there first. Drill yourself a small hole in the drywall and put the camera down in there. The light will light everything up and you can look around, see if there's any plumbing in the way, or if you're looking for a plumbing leak, you don't have to make a giant hole in the wall. You can use this to pinpoint where your leak is. I recently had to do some work on the car where I was cleaning the combustion chambers out. This camera was great for that. I was able to put it down inside the cylinder, take a look at the valves and see what was going on, get a before and after shot so I could see that the cleaning I did was actually successful. You could use this for troubleshooting. It'll easily fit inside a valve cover through the oil cap. You can put this down inside of a plumbing pipe. Even if there's water in there, it's not going to hurt it. And you can check things out, see where you have a clog, or if you drop something down in there, you could try one of those attachments to get it out of the pipe without tearing everything apart. Check out your ductwork. Put this down inside your ductwork and see if there really is a dead mouse in there giving you that horrible smell. This isn't really that expensive. It ranges between $100 and $150 depending on whether there's a coupon available at the time. So check out the link down below and get some more information on this camera. It's really handy for DIYers around the house, contractors, auto mechanics, plumbers. It's a great little tool, and it's definitely going to help you out when you're in a tight spot and you're unable to or you don't want to tear something apart. This is going to let you take a look inside. If you want to take your DIY game to the next level, or you just want to impress your friends with your new gadget, this is definitely something you might want to check out. Thanks for watching.